What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to install DoorDash on your Android phone. Once you have your phone guys and have your active internet connection, open up the Play Store, and from here you want to use a Play Store and search for DoorDash. Once you start to type in door, you simply type in dash and you will be able to search for DoorDash. Now as you can see here, I found it in the list there, and I just need to go ahead and type it. Just choose the first option there that says DoorDash. As you can see, this is the application. Just need to go ahead and click on install, and I can go ahead and install the application on my phone here. And once you download the application, install it, you'll be able to quickly set up and start using DoorDash on your phone. So let's go ahead and wait for it to install, guys. As you can see, it's done, and you can go ahead and open up the application on your phone right there. As you can see, it's currently launching, and you can quickly sign in with your Gmail account, so you can use one of those many options that you see there. I'm going to choose Gmail as an example right here, and I just need to go ahead and quickly fill in my details there to quickly set up the application. Once you do that, you'll be able to use the application, guys. And that's it.